Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. Verify each backend's IP, role, and capacity so you know what you'll balance. Next, pick an algorithm, round-robin for simplicity or least connections for uneven loads, because choice affects session distribution. Then create health checks with a defined path, interval, timeout, and retries so unhealthy nodes won't receive traffic. Once these basics exist, deploy a lightweight config template so you can iterate quickly and avoid misrouting during initial tests. Now implement the balancer and apply precise rules. Provision a virtual IP and configure listeners plus SSL/TLS termination to secure traffic. Make sure certificates match host names. Once done, add advanced routing, path-based routes, header conditions, and session persistence when stateful sessions are required. This prevents user disruption. Then tune operational params, adjust connection limits, idle timeouts, retry policies, and enable slow start for new nodes. Make incremental changes and monitor metrics to finish by validating behavior under failure and load. Run failover and spike tests to confirm sessions move and capacity holds. Once validated, enable continuous monitoring for latency, error percentage, CPU, memory, and connection counts so you see regressions immediately. Also implement a fallback plan that includes traffic siphoning, config rollbacks, and circuit breaker thresholds to protect backends. If things go wrong, first isolate by switching to a known good pool. Then roll back recent config changes while you diagnose health check and routing logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.